Hello guys, here I am back with another video about what I'm doing. Yesterday I was coming back from work and I spotted some laptops in a dumpster. I checked it out and there was some laptops with motherboards. I took them out and a guy came and give me more, so I have here a stack of 13 laptops. Recently I picked up this microwave. Here are some wire, some board, some low grade board. Here you can see that wire from TVs and computer monitor, so lots of copper there. So yeah, just a quick update. I hope you like this video. So this is what I like to do. Probably I will do a scrap run with these PCs. Don't know if you can see them, those servers. I have a promise that it will be a load of 14 PCs. That's a lot. I hope I will get them. So till next time.